Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Sanjay Agarwal. I'm the chairman of IDEC. It gives me a great pleasure to invite all of you to the 10th year of IDEC. A very fulfilling journey, and we have seen the growth of IDEC over the last 10 years. We have had excellent meetings of which each one of you have been part of. Our team, full of energy, full of science, and we work together to see that we make the meeting a big success. Dr. Guillermo Umpiras, who's my co-chair, Dr. Neeta Deshpande, again, who's my co-chair. Neeta looks after the science. Dr. Guillermo has been the former ADA president and chair of the Department of Technology at the Emory University. Then we obviously have our committee members, Dr. Nitin Kapoor, Dr. Nitin Patankar, Dr. Archana Sarda, who's today the organizing secretary of this meeting and who puts in a lot of effort and energy to make the meeting a big success. We have Dr. Amit De, who's a technology expert. He's well recognized in the field of technology. Dr. Shilpa Joshi, who's a nutrition expert and a luminary in her own right in the field of nutrition. She brings so much value to lifestyle management. And then we've got Dr. Sundar Mudliar, who's a research mentor. Amazing amount of, collaborative effort that we put in as a team to see that IDEC is a successful story. 10 years has been a fulfilling journey. And I assure you, this year, the scientific program has been crafted, keeping in mind all the nuances of how to manage diabetes today with all the current trends, updates, the global thought. We want to put all that together to see that you get the best of information that is available to use in clinical practice and update yourself to all the standard practices that anybody would follow in the world. So enjoy the meeting, be part of it, collaborate, share ideas, talk to each other, network. Just have a very fulfilling 3 days of this meeting while you're over here. Thank you and look forward to meet all of you.